Hi traders, welcome to the tradingmentors.com and welcome to Gold on Steroids. Just a quick update on settings and a quick update that we're doing a software update in the next few days. Just working on a few things, so anybody that has Gold on Steroids, then you will get the update free if you have signed up in the last 12 months. And of course, anyone that signs up immediately will obviously get the update within the next few days. So don't hesitate and we'll get you uploaded. And I will actually personally upload the charts for you onto your TradingView chart and get you running straight away. So there's a couple of things that I want to talk about. We often talk about the 50 moving average, don't we? Above that is a buy. Above that is a buy. Below that is a sell. And you can see that quite clearly and accurately. So if you're at your chart, it's a 10-minute chart, not very quick. The other thing to bear in mind is these power reversal signals. Very, very strong. Anything above 60, I prefer 65. Anything above 60, that's 83 down there. Very powerful. Don't even hesitate. If you see that going on there, get in right at the very bottom and hold, hold, hold. If you miss it, don't worry. It will go up above the 50 moving average, come down and then break out. And that's what we're looking for. So there's a buy entry here. There's a buy entry here. There's a buy entry here. And there's a sell entry here. So we're just going to go into a little bit more detail so that you can understand how it works, why it works, and why you should have it. So you can make those decisions. Don't wait for anybody else. You have complete and utter control over your trading destiny. And so let's, where do we start? So the power signals are fantastic. The supply zones here in yellow, I've got mine in yellow. You can change your colors to whatever. I've got these in turquoise, the demand areas. These are really, really important. So I've got a buy order down here, right down there. But actually, it should be maybe about here, shouldn't it? $5,000 is a really important area. But I'll cover that in the next few minutes. Now, there's something very interesting here, which I can show you. Let me just get rid of that. And this is a MACD with special settings. And it gives you the long-term view of what's happening in the market in the background. So this is a 10-minute chart. This is a MACD that measures daily and 4-hour and 2-hour. So it actually tells you what you're looking for before you even start. So as you start the trading day, if you see that everything is green above the histogram, then you're only looking for buy signals. Okay, so that one's not valid there, but then it changed there. I'll cover the swing lows and the swing trading in the next few minutes, but there's another buy there. So you are going to get multiple opportunities to get into the market, 2 or 3 in the morning, 2 or 3 in the afternoon. We can see now that live at 4 p.m. GMT on the 4th of March, we can see that the price came up into supply, but it was not quite ready yet. Okay, so that's not a valid entry point. And I'll show you a few valid entry points so you can actually see how they work. So yesterday, let's have a look at the last few days. Actually, we can see that everything is in the red zone. So everything red is sell. We can see that we have a beautiful sell signal here, but it's not a valid sell signal. So we will hold back on that one. But as the price moves down, then we can see that the previous sell signal confirms that it's going to break down because we have a break of structure or change of character. So break of structure at that point gives us the opportunity to get in on the sell once it's confirmed. Now here's the trick. If you have the Gold on Steroids software, then we can immediately go to the swing trading tools, special settings. And we can see immediately that as the price moves down, try and give you a better angle of this. Let's narrow these down a little bit. We can see the colors quite easily. So we're only looking for sells. But when the price comes up into this area, overbought above 80, the usual thing, and we can see that everything is selling off. then we can gain an entry into that position, can't we? You can wait for it to move below the 50, or you can just simply enter on the crossover of the oscillator special settings, okay? Now after that, of course, what tends to happen, the price does this, but look where the price is in terms of the moving average, the 50 moving average. So the 50 moving average tells you that there is support for this price because it's finished above it. You could argue that with this situation here, hence why you might want to wait for it to break down below the 50, but the price has possibly changed direction. So, and it does here. See that green there? So that's an opportunity to get in. But look at the oscillator as the price comes down. As the price comes down and you have a swing low, real proper swing trading with a beautiful buy signal. Price moves above the 50 moving average if you prefer. Once it does, the price is established, and as long as the market structure is achieving higher lows and higher highs above the 50, then that becomes a valid entry. Onwards and upwards, beautiful buy signal here. Now as the price moves down, a couple of points to remember here is the price below the 50 shows weakness. Okay, so even though you have this going on, you need to wait. A couple of things happening here. This is an outside bar. See how the price has moved outside the channel? This indicates the price is going up. Okay, because it doesn't like it when it does that. It's taken out, it's a liquidity sweep, so it's taken out all the stops. And then you have a beautiful buy signal. That might not seem a lot, that move there, but that to there is 366 pips. That move there is maximum 791 pips. Hello. Or if you take it to the 50 moving average, then it's 597 pips. There's 593 pips. So depending how active you want to be, this is a 10-minute chart, so you're going to get one, possibly two, three signals during a session. Here you have one signal, sell, and you're looking for sells. The price breaks down the MACD, special settings by the way. There's been a lot of research on this, and the price then moves up into a swing high during the red zone and the price collapses. Okay, and you had two bites of the cherry. Now if the price is moving strongly up or strongly down, you're only going to get two chances to buy or sell. Three doesn't work. For some reason I think it's just exhausted, and if you sell here, you've had two positions there, 1, 2. This position here, number 3, is more than likely 99% of the time going to be a trend reversal. So 2 trades only, but you are talking about many thousands of pips here. 1,700 pips, depends where you get in. 1,310 pips, 500 pips, 700 pips, 300 pips. So once you get those positions, make the most of it, and good luck with your trading. If you have any questions or you want to get started, I can get you started within the next hour.